Hello, it's William Jumping. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly export the timeline in Photoshop. In Photoshop, if you want to do some animation, you got a timeline, you got a really basic timeline. It's really hard to use. And I made this in the Photoshop, so I have to stick with it. So I have to export that. Of course, you can export that one by one by using the file then export. But if you want export like a batch export in timeline, you can do something like this. Export, and then we can render video. Okay. So basically, this timeline is kind of a series of a looping video like this, right? So you can actually render everything, like render video onto MP4. So you got pixel art. Can we recover it? Yeah, I'm going to say pixel art, like idle animation, and then you just click export. You can get the MP4 file. Okay, of course you can get all sort of like formats, presets, all that size. Okay, I got like a pixel art 64, so you can just click render. You can automatically export it. Okay, but sometimes you don't want that specific MP4 file. Okay, let me just show you the rendered file. Okay, so let me show you this MP4 file. Okay, I think I got this open with QuickTime Player. Yeah, so you got something like this. Okay, so you can play this whole animation. Okay, and of course you can loop this, but that's not what I want, because I'm actually using this in my game. Okay, I update the animation, so I need a series of PNG file. I make this in the game. So let me show you how. So go here. Instead of just export this, I'm going to say idle. Okay, maybe just the idle animation instead of MP4. I'm going to change this to Photoshop image sequence, so a sequence of image. Okay, and this default JPEG, I'm using PNG because I want this background transparency information here. Starting with 0, ending with we do not actually need 4 digits, just this, the 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so idle PNG or idle animation, whatever, doesn't really matter. Or idle new. Okay, I'm going to make it new because I already got this original idle. And yeah, all frame, that's good. Then render. Okay, and loop, and then loop to here. Okay, so that's my way of doing this. I don't know if there is a better way, but I just want to show you it's doable, but you have to delete all this like redundant file, and then you can import that to but I strongly recommend that you use some specific software for this kind of task. I'm currently using Sprite recently, so I recommend that using that rather than if you're like specifically choosing a software for pixel art. I recommend that. Okay, so hope this video helps. Thanks, bye.